Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
What is the concentration of sugar in mole per liter if its 20 gram are dissolved in enough water to make a final volume up to 2 liter? Here what we have to find? We have to find concentration in mole per liter. Mole per liter is the unit of molarity. So you have to find molarity. Hope you understand. Now what is the standard equation for molarity? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter. Correct? In liter. So in short we can write NB by V. Okay. Now what is number of moles of solute? It is mass of the solute. I am using the letter W for representing mass. Mass of the solute by molar mass of the solute. Mass of the solute by molar mass of the solute. How to find molarity? First you have to find number of moles. Once you find number of moles, substitute that value here. Volume is given, that is 2 liter. You will get molarity. So first we can find number of moles. Okay. NB is equal to mass of the solute. What is that? 20. Right? Now molar mass of the solute. What is the molecular formula? C12. So 12 into 12. 12 carbon is there. And atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus H22. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and 22 hydrogen is there plus O11. See, oxygen it is 16 and 11 oxygen is there. Correct? On calculating, the denominator become 342. So 20 by 342 on calculating you will get 0.0585. Okay, now directly apply that value in the equation for molarity. NB is equal to 0.0585. Volume is given in liter. Correct? What is that? 2 liter. And what is our final answer? 0.02925 mole per liter. Hope all of you understand.